In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks in Zoho Books. If you're looking to streamline your financial processes and ensure your bills and payments are handled efficiently, then you're in the right place. First, head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all your business financials. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the left sidebar where you'll see a variety of options. Click on Purchases. This section allows you to manage all your procurement activities, including bills, expenses, and vendor management. After clicking on Purchases, you'll want to navigate to the Bills section. This is where you can view and manage all your incoming bills. Click on Bills to proceed. You'll find yourself in a section that lists all the bills you've created or received. This is where you have the option to create a new bill or manage existing ones. Next, look for the option that says Create a Bill. Clicking this will take you to a new screen where you can enter all the necessary details for a new bill. This is an essential step because accurate bill information is crucial for proper financial tracking and ensuring payments are made correctly. Make sure to fill out all the required fields, including the vendor name, bill number, and the amount due. Double-check all the details before proceeding to avoid any errors. Once your bill is complete, it's time to prepare for printing. Zoho Books provides a straightforward way to print your checks directly. Before you hit print, review the bill details once more to ensure everything is correct. It's always a good idea to verify the information to prevent any issues down the line. Now, with everything in place, you can print your checks. Zoho Books will guide you through the printing process, ensuring that your checks are formatted correctly and include all the necessary details. This functionality not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of human error, providing you with peace of mind that your payments are handled efficiently and professionally. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily print checks in Zoho Books, ensuring your business stays organized and your vendors are paid on time. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enhances your financial management capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your business processes with Zoho Books.